never mind. You're choosing me every time, but you're swearing the problem is mine. So leave me in the morning.
Terowie four-wheel drive park is about 220 k's north of Adelaide, a massive park. I believe there's about 3,500 acres here, quite rocky and hilly. We did a lot of creek four-wheel driving. I'll throw some footage up. You'll see the sort of terrain that we went through the whole weekend. It was quite interesting actually.
Well, your taste is toxic, it burns in my mouth. The things that I wish I could tell you about, but I'm nothing special, yeah, you have your doubts. Leave me when it's easy. You can't love me in the light of day. You can't be near me when your feelings fade. And it's nothing that we can erase, but you can't love me in the light of day. So don't turn the lights on. Shake it off. In the end, what's it cost? Wasn't my heart you bought? You act like this is easy. You act like you hate me, you just hate yourself. You say I don't know you, I know you so well, but I'm nothing special, yeah, you have your doubts. Leave me when it's easy. You can't love me in the light of day. I bet you're hoping that your feelings fade, but it's something that we can erase. You can't love me in the light of day, so don't turn the lights on.
We're at a cool spot now called the fishbowl, and I'll show you some footage of the fishbowl. It's basically a group of hill climbs all around, and then in the middle down the bottom you've got a little play area with some flexing, and we all cruised through there, and some of us had trouble, some of us cruised through, but it was really good fun there. And you can see just up here behind me at the top of the hill, and then all the guys are just down here, which is pretty cool.
picked it up?
Nah.
Pointing it at me
Pointing
though.
at you.
Thanks, man.